Hello, today I am going to tell you about the how to save your computer when it is hacked. My computer was hacked. Three things you should do immediately. Change your PC access password. Actually change all your password. I mean it. Email, social subscription, etc. Every service you have access to hold precious information including billing options that are authorized for use and personal data. Create safe password. It need to be at least 8 character long. It shouldn't include personal information like your name, your username or your company name. Get creative with it. Have fun. It has to be different from your previous one. If possible, don't include complete word. Create it using character from all four categories, lower and uppercase number and symbol. When you use a symbol, lowercase, uppercase and character, then the program which find out the password after processing will take too much time and maybe won't be able to get your password easily. Isolate the infected computer as soon as possible. As long as you are connected to the internet, the hackers have access to device and its directory. अगर अपने कंप्यूटर को अलग जगह कर देंगे तो वो आपके और लोगों को नहीं इन्फेक्ट करेगा और सिंपली यू हैव टू unplug your computer from the network and avoid any kind of connections you wouldn't want to infect others. Make sure re-offline and turn all Wi-Fi connection off, both by software and hardware. Some laptops even have a switch for this. Why hardware? Well, Liveware explained that it is quite possible that you are being tricked by the attackers who would like you to think you are offline while their malware works happily in the background. वो काम करते रहेंगे, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा पीछे से कि वो आपका हैक कर रहे हैं. Usually hacker try to spread through individual breach and the reason is simple. None of your friends would probably suspect from you. So before your spam a virus to your family, friends and co-workers, give a head up, protect your core groups and try to notify it immediately to avoid unpleasant situation. अगर आप हैक होते हैं तो आपके रिलेटेड लोग भी हैक हो सकते हैं. सो अगर जल्दी से आप कंप्यूटर ऑफ कर देंगे तो वो और इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रीच नहीं कर पाएगा और आप सिंपली और लोगों को बचा सकते हैं. These tips are both effective and super easy to implement. Cyber crimes are a real threat and the methods implemented prove to be creative and accessible for anyone that has time and a reason. But if you act quickly enough, you will have a key advantage that might make the difference when trying to recover your files and minimize the damage. Time to get ready and react. लेकिन आप जल्दी से जब सिस्टम ऑफ कर देंगे तो आपका फाइल रिकवर करने में ज़्यादा आसानी होगी. Now the 8 easy steps to secure a computer from the hackers. Now I am going to tell you about the 8 steps which can help you to save from the hackers. Whether you use your computer primarily for work tasks or personal use or both, it is highly likely you want to keep it and its content safe and secure. हर कोई चाहता है कि अपने कंटेंट को सेफ और सिक्योर रखे. When it comes to computer security, a broad range of threats should be considered, including malicious attack by hackers and people physically stealing your computer and the information it houses. The measures you go to keep your information safe will depend on several factors. For example, if you have a particularly sensitive information, is stored, then you might be willing to invest more time and resource protecting it. अब आपका बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डेटा है और उसको आप सेव रखना चाहते हैं तो आपको ज़्यादा समय देना होगा अपने सिस्टम को सेव रखने में. For the average user, taking several basic measures should be sufficient enough to secure your computer and its content. 8 easy steps you might want to be considered. While they are all fairly straightforward to implement, some take a bit more time than other or involve paid options. Keep up with the system and software security update. आपके सिस्टम की जो सॉफ्टवेयर सिक्योरिटी है उसको हमेशा अपडेट रखें. जनरली लोग क्या होता है कि एंटीवायरस नहीं लेते हैं और सिस्टम को सिक्योर नहीं रखते हैं. असाइड फ्रॉम एडिंग एक्स्ट्रा फीचर, they often cover security hole. This means they provide of the operating system or software has found vulnerability which give hackers the opportunity to compromise the program or even your entire computer. जनरली लोग विंडोज जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है वो कॉपीड वर्जन देते हैं जो हमको हैकर्स को इनवाइट करता है कि हाँ इसमें इजीली आप हैक कर सकते हैं. टिपिकली इफ एन अपडेट इज अवेलेबल फॉर योर ओएस यू विल गेट नोटिफिकेशन. अब अगर आपका ओरिजिनल है तो वो नोटिफिकेशन देता रहेगा कि नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू बी हैक, नाउ समवन इज ब्रीचिंग योर इंफॉर्मेशन. But if you can often opt to update immediately or set it run at later time. While it can be inconvenient to stop what you are doing for half an hour for an update to take place, it's often best to just get it done out of way. In not just your OS that should be kept up to date, all software that you run on your computer could potentially have a flaws. When updates are available, you might see a pop-up when you open the software. Even though they are usually good things, it's a prudent to be wary of updates. Sometimes software companies will offer pre-release version to try. This may be unstable and should be used at your own risk. Even with a stable release version, you may want to wait to a day or two in case there are many obvious bugs. Just remember to go back to it when you are ready. बहुत से सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसे बनते हैं जैसे विंडो 8 जो बना तो उसमें इतनी अच्छी फैसिलिटी नहीं थी कि आप उसको प्रॉपरली यूज़ कर सकें तो लोग फिर विंडो 7 को यूज़ करने लगे. लेकिन आजकल विंडो 7 को वो कहते हैं कि मत यूज़ करिए, विंडो 10 यूज़ कीजिए क्योंकि इसमें बहुत से ब्रीच हैं जिससे कि हैकर्स उसमें हैक कर सकता है. Another thing is to watch out for its fake update. This might be used by hackers to persuade you to click a link or enter a credential. You can avoid falling prey to these by doing a little research into the latest update from the software company. Simply search for the latest version to see if the alert you receive makes sense. Alternatively, you can plug the pop-up text in search engine to find it. It's a known scam. अब क्या होता है हैकर्स जो होता है वो अपडेट के लिए बोलता है जबकि वो कंपनी की तरफ से नहीं आता. आप सोचते हैं कंपनी की तरफ से है तो आप उस लिंक को खोल देते हैं और उसको मौका मिल जाता है हैक करने का. सो ऑलवेज यूज परचेज सॉफ्टवेयर इफ पॉसिबल फॉर यू, अदरवाइज इट इज गिव द ब्रीच टू द हैकर्स. हैव यू गिट अबाउट यू. जो लिंक आप खोल रहे हैं उसके लिए आप राजी होंगे तभी खोलिएगा. Make sure you have your wit about you and think twice about opening or clicking on anything that doesn't look legit. Don't rely a spam filter to always catch sketchy email. Criminals are constantly trying to outsmart this setting and now again try, they will get through. अब आप खोल देते हैं कोई स्पैम लिंक को तो उनको टाइम मौका मिल जाता है हैकिंग करने का. तो बहुत से मेल जैसे आई कि कोविड के टाइम में कि फ्री आप चेकअप करा लीजिए, लोगों ने खोल लिया और वो मौका मिल गया हैकर्स को हैकिंग करने का. Enable a firewall. Already I had taught you a firewall. A firewall act as a barrier between your computer or network and the internet. It effectively closes the computer port that prevent communication with your device. This protects your computer by stopping threat from entering the system and spreading between devices. It can also help prevent your data leaving your computer. जब आप छोड़ते हैं कंप्यूटर को तो वो उसको डेटा को बचाता है. If your computer ports are open, anything coming into them could be processed. This is bad. If it's malicious program sent by a hacker, while it's possible to close port manually, a firewall acts as a simple defense to close all ports. The firewall will open the ports only to trusted application and external device on an as needed basis. If your operating systems come with a firewall, Windows XP onward, you can simply enable the built-in firewall in Windows. This can be found by navigation to control panel system and security. You might choose to install an additional firewall as an extra layer of defense or if your OS doesn't already have one. A couple of free options are Komodo, the Tiny Wall. Commodore and the Tiny Wall antivirus software often comes with a built-in firewall tool. अब तो विंडो एक्सपी के ऑनवर्ड आपका फायरवॉल इनबिल्ट आने लगाएगा और उसमें बहुत से एक्सटर्नल फायरवॉल भी लोग यूज़ करते हैं जो क्या करता है आईपी एड्रेस पोर्ट को समय समय पर बंद करता रहता है जिससे कि कोई ब्रीच न कर सके आपके डेटा को. द फायरवॉल डिस्कस अबव और सॉफ्टवेयर फायरवॉल. There is second type known as hardware firewall. While these can be purchased separately, they often come built in into home routers. It could just be a simple case of checking if you are in turn on. Adjust your browser setting. अब क्या कर सकते हैं browser setting करके भी हम hackers से बच सकते हैं. Most browsers have options that enable you to adjust the level of privacy and security while your browser. These can help lower the risk of malware infections reaching your computer and malicious hacker attacking your device. Some browsers even enable you to tell websites not to track your movement by blocking cookies. अब वो क्या करता है सेव ब्राउजर जो होता है कुकीज को ब्लॉक कर देता है तो आप कहाँ कहाँ पे जाके काम कर रहे हैं वो चेक नहीं कर पाता है hackers. However, many of the options are disabled by default, so you could wittingly be exposed for more than you need to restart your browser. Thankfully, it should only take a few minutes to go into your browser setting and make the necessary adjustment. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge all provides detailed instruction to help. While using these browser extensions like Disconnect or uBlock Origin on the topic of browser, you should close your carefully. The ones mentioned above are generally considered safe. But since update and patches occur all the times, you never know when a new hole could appear and how big it will be. If you want more privacy, you can consider steering away from traditional options and look at the privacy-focused alternative like Epic Privacy Browser, Comodo, Dragon, or Tor browser. Install antivirus and anti-spy software. Any machines connected to the any machine connected to the internet is inherently vulnerable to virus and all other threats, including malware, ransomware, and Trojan attack. An antivirus software isn't a completely foolproof option, but it can definitely help. There are free options out there, but they are limited, and besides, the paid programs won't set your back a whole lot. Bitdefender is a popular option that I recommend for alternative. Take a look at this data-backed comparison of the antivirus. Spyware is a specific type of malware that is designed to secretly infect the computer. It then sit in the system, gather information and send it to third party. The information is typically of sensitive nature and such a credential or banking information. This can ultimately lead to आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट अ मल्टी बिलियन डॉलर इंडस्ट्रीज। पहले भी हम बता चुके हैं, स्पाईवेयर जो होता है ऐसा प्रोग्राम होता है जो आप बैकग्राउंड में सब कुछ आपका जानता रहता हो और थर्ड पार्टी को सेल करके बेच देता हो और उसको पैसा मिल जाता है। In the spyware category, you have adware, often causing pop-up Trojan, posing as a harmless software, and system monitors such as keyloggers. All of these pose a pretty serious threat. Other form of spyware like tracking cookies are typically harmless, albeit anything annoying. Thankfully, many antivirus programs have anti-spy but built in, but there are some dedicated solutions. If a spyware has found its way onto your computer, it's very possible you can remove it. There are a ton of options for spyware removal, including many free offering and some paid single use tool. स्पाईवेयर को हटाने के लिए बहुत से प्रोग्राम आ गए हैं, आप उसको हटा सकते हैं तो आपके प्रोग्राम स्टील नहीं होगा. Password protected your software and lock your device. Most web connected software that you install on a system require login credentials. The most important thing here is not to use the same password across all applications. अब आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे भी काम किया है, फेसबुक पे भी काम किया है, ईमेल भी जीमेल पे बनाई और सबका पासवर्ड एक रख दिया, तो वो एक जगह अगर हैकिंग करेगा तो सब जगह बहुत इजीली कर लेगा. If you are having trouble remembering a whole bunch of password, then you could try a password manager. अब पासवर्ड अगर याद नहीं रहता है और आप लिखते नहीं है प्रॉपर कहीं जगह पर, तो पासवर्ड मैनेज करने का सॉफ्टवेयर आ गया, आप पासवर्ड मैनेज कर सकते हैं. This will keep all of your passwords safe and you only have to remember one. A password can be combined with the email or SMS as a part of two-step verification. अब ये नई फैसिलिटी आ गई है कि वो टू स्टेप वेरिफिकेशन करता है. वो आपको OTP भेजेगा और चेक करेगा कि ये वास्तव में आप ही हैं कि नहीं. For extra security, two-step verification usually kick in when you log into the website or app for a new unrecognized device require you to verify your identity PIN code. अब उसके लिए वो पिन कोड बनवा देता है, उस पिन कोड को अगर आप डालिएगा तभी आप उसमें घुस पाइएगा. While many security steps related to intangible threat, there is always the possibility that someone could get their hands on your actual computer. A simple line of defense here is to have a strong computer password to at least make it more difficult for them to enter. Other form of verification include biometrics method, like a fingerprint or retina scan. Alternative physical verification method might involve key cards and fobs such as those offered by Ubico. Any of these can be combined with each other and or password as a part of two-step verification process. If you are concerned about someone actually walking away with your computer, another option is a physical lock. This is an ideal solution for laptop but can also be used on home or work computer. Kensington locks and the similar brand are a small lock that insert into the specific hole in the device. Some require a physical key while others work using code. These are solutions for tablets, although these tend to be more cumbersome and more suitable for things like point of sale. Encrypt your data. When your computer houses your life work on load of file with a sentimental value like photos and video, it's likely worth protecting that information. One way to ensure it doesn't fall into the wrong hand is to encrypt your data. Encrypted data will require resources to decrypt it. Then along might be enough to deter a hacker from pursuing action. अब अपने डेटा को हम अगर एनक्रिप्ट कर दें, एनक्रिप्ट मतलब ऐसे फॉर्म में जिसको कोई पढ़ ना पाए, तो वो जब जरूरत होगी तो हम डिक्रिप्ट कर लेंगे. There are a plethora of tools out there to help. You encrypt things like online traffic and account communication and file is stored on your computer. For full disk encryption, some popular tools are VeraCrypt and BitLocker. You can find separate tool of help your encrypt your mobile device with various apps available for both Android and iOS. Use a VPN. A virtual private network is an excellent way to step up your security, especially when browsing online. While using a VPN, all of your internet traffic is encrypted and tunneled through an intermediary server in a separate location. This may mask your IP, replace it with a different one, and so that your ISP can no longer monitor your activity. वर्चुअल प्राइवेट नेटवर्क जो होता है आपका आईपी एड्रेस को मास्क कर देता है जिससे कि कोई उसको देख नहीं पाता, तो इट इज़ मोर सेफ देन द सिंपल ब्राउज़र. What more simple network? What more you can typically choose the server location based on your needs, such as getting the fastest speed or unblocking geolog content. Additionally, a VPN can help you browse securely while using open Wi-Fi network access censored material. Facebook in China. Example, Facebook in China. When it comes to choosing a provider, there are some okay free offering out there, but monthly rates for paid service can be pretty low, even a little at $3 per month. The free ones are typically limited in features but can be good for getting a feel for what's available. Some paid options have free trial period for the full service and most offer generously money back guarantee periods. No matter what you store on your computer, it's simply prudent to protect its content from criminals and snoopers. Although nothing is ever completely secure, following the steps above will provide most people with ample protection and safeguard. So, this is the point which I want to tell you to how to protect your computer from the hackers. And if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you, viewers.